good evening ulit. So, this concert is for the benefit of Cribs. So, as we know, they are an orphanage, di ba? So, what is the reason you said yes?
To this
To
project,
this, yes.
or to them being our
Yes, that would be
beneficiary?
my second
okay.
follow-up.
For the first of all, kasi we've been helping or like volunteering and part din kami ng Cribs throughout the years with Fifth Gen, my vocal group before. It's actually 10 years na po namin silang sinusuportahan at sila din ay sumusuporta sa amin. Aside from, of course, nakaka-inspire yung mga stories ng bata. We actually do this parang ilang taon na no?
So many years.
So many years, yung concert kasi ginagawa namin siya before with Fifth Gen, gano'n, or like nung nanalo kami sa Wish Awards. And now that we have Jex, of course, sa Vega Entertainment as one of our talents also na nakasama namin, who won in Stars of the Albion in London. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga shows and mga guestings before. Sabi na, why not do it with one of our Grand Prix, yung mga nanalo din doon. So, si Jex yun. And the reason behind that is because 10 years ago, we started it and tinutuloy lang namin siya hanggang
And we are also involving some of our other friends then to to help and they can also volunteer and join some offline activities.
Yeah.
So, yun, nakakatuwa kasi even yung mga kaibigan namin outside show business, they also help.
I was able to meet them last year, no?
Yeah.
When they celebrated their, how many
think that
years?
is-
30th?
Parang more than
60th?
no, 50, 40 more.
Yeah. So, through them, nakilala ko sila. And it was the first time I met orphans sa talagang sa isang orphanage. So, masarap sa pakiramdam. So, when we learned that this show will be a benefit show, go na agad yan.
Sa Cribs na yan.
First time yung nagsama-sama, di ba?
Sa
Yes.
show po.
Kaming tatlo,
oo,
yes.
tatlo.
Ano naman feeling na nagsama-sama kayo? Anong like
It
sa sa concert?
It started, kasi lagi kami may get-together sa bahay ng
Yeah.
Ni Tita
Tita
Chari.
Chari Vega.
Mm.
So, jamming lang kami, kumakanta lang kami. Kasi si Rap, isa siya talaga pinamahilig. Every time nung darating siya, gusto niya kakanta kami.
May dala yung mic lang.
Ito lang mga
Saya
Tapos,
naman.
nung narinig siguro kami nila Tita Shari, Vega Entertainment, sabi nila, why not we make a show out of what we do here? So, that's how it all started.
So parang in terms of preparation, di na kayo nahirapan kasi ginagawa niyo na
So
talaga.
when you have the bond already, parang it's very easy na to like start with something more serious and
Nice.
yung pag-come up na with a show. So naging madali naman. Madali naman siguro.
Oo, kasi yung mga kinakanta namin sa jamming, yun din naman yung kinanta.
Kanas.
Yung some.
Mm.
And we challenge then ourselves with like new songs na naka-release lang or
Yeah. Like this time, tsaka yung last time namin, kasi pangalawa na po ito.
Second show.
Meron kami mga songs na binago or dinagdag. So,
Exciting.
I want to give something new. Every time na, syempre, we know for sure, we are manifesting there will be more shows after this.
Yeah.
So, tinatry namin na every
This is
show
your
ay
second
mga
night.
Mm.
I was telling them na meron kayong first na napanood ko.
Opo.
Ngayon,
Nung
dahil
August 10.
dahil na sold out, so may nag-request second. This is their second.
Maraming hindi nakanood.
Ngayon, this time,
And successful
nag-invite na ako.
din.
And thank you guys for supporting.
Thank you po.
Hindi lang ito yung supporting niyo sa amin, syempre support niyo sa
Yeah, for Cribs.
Deserve naman, deserve.
Salamat.
Oo.
Ayan.
First time niyo ba marinig sila?
Ako po, ikaw napapanood po kita sa
Sa
TikTok
TikTok.
or something. Di ba yun po yung ano nyo? And then
Yes.
si Sir nakikita ko sa tag ng tangalan
Siguro,
yung
like,
time
videos
mo.
online.
Oo, ikaw rin po.
Sa TikTok
Gagaling,
siya, di ba?
oo.
Yes, our TikTok
Oo, active
friend.
siya.
We always
Nakaka-excite din kasi when pandemic started, sobrang limited na talaga yung mga shows like this. And then, we decided to do something na alis muna tayo online. Yung mga gusto mag-travel.
Face-to-face naman.
We have guests during our first show. Nag-fly sila from Singapore, Cebu, US.
But right now, we're also streaming it online. So, may mga kaming mga friends watching and supporters from the US, Dubai, some parts of Europe,
Australia.
Australia. So, nakakatuwa. May naka-stream ngayon.
Tapos nga, brief ko din sila that you guys competed internationally.
Yes.
Like si
I
Mariel.
recently joined po nung January, February. I was able to reach top 5 naman sa X Factor Malta. A small country in Europe. And nakakatawa kasi ako lang yung Pinoy doon. So, yung isa kong gusto ko pang gawin syempre is to sing more and pakita natin na talagang meron tayong mga shows na katulad nito na makakaabot pa ng maraming Pilipino sa buong mundo.
Any plans of joining W Copa?
We joined.
Alright.
I won in 2010.
Oh, nice.
I won 2009.
Yeah. Yun.
Si Jax.
Si Jex
Jex
naman
naman,
sa...
Yeah, I joined Stars of the Albion in London last year.
Oh.
That was 2010.
Kasi yung nagpo-produce si Tita Shari also owns the franchise of Euro Talent Festival here in the Philippines. Yung kung yun, nanalo si Jex doon, Rachel Gabresa, and also marami pa pong iba. So I hope you can check that out also. Euro Talent Festival. Alright.
Standby na tayo.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you so
Enjoy the
much.
show.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.